Alright, MuZ, part X, this time, gas cable assembly. I'll first show you the whole of the assembly. I've got it laying here on the table. This is the part that's mounted on the steering at the handlebar grip. And there it goes. One cable, still one cable. Oops. Problem. It's worn out. Then it splits in two cables. One short cable, which is going to the carburettor. One other cable going to the oil pump. Oops, another snack. Unfortunately, I cannot buy new cables, cable sets if you like. So I have no option but to produce them myself. So what you now see is my solution. New cables and new pieces of copper. There they are. My camera is still trying to decide if it should switch to daylight or artificial light. Whatever. And I have to cut now the cables to length and then next solder them on these nipples. Yeah, I call them nipples. I don't know what I call in English. I have no idea. So that's the plan for today. To rebuild my cable by myself. It's the first time ever I've done it. So I may get into trouble. But I hope not, of course. This is the first result. I'll show you how this works. Hope you can see it. This is the splitter, the cable splitter. So I'll put this cable splitter on. And now I can pull with this cable, I can pull this splitter. Only, oops, oh, wait a minute. If you look very closely, you can see it just sticking out a little bit. So I'll take a file and hopefully get it off. Hold on. We measure the length of the original cable, which is 73 centimeters. And now I have cut my new cable onto the desired length, which was 73. So now I can cut, and this is irreversibly, the old cable and reassemble it with the new one, followed by... So next I took new cable and put it in the old housing. And I'm now going to solder this piece of copper onto the cable, and I hope this will work. That when the tin is fluid, that it won't drop the copper from the cable once more. I hope this works. And this is result number one cable. This is the handlebar side, and this is the splitter side. Okay, to be continued. And after repeating the whole process, cable number 2 has been fixed as well. So now I will reassemble the whole lot. This is the final result. So once more, from the handlebar with the throttle grip to under the gas tank with the splitter, a short one which will control the throttle position, and a longer one which will control the oil pump. Okay, job done.